Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flashlearners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. Animals that feed on grasses are called dash. Based on mode of feeding, we have different types of animals based on mode of feeding. Carnivorous animals or carnivores are animals that feed on flesh. Like you hear things like, no matter the economy of the jungle, lion can never eat grass. Can never eat grass, which means lion can feed on flesh, eat other animals. So since it feeds on flesh, it is referred to as carnivorous animals. Now, herbivores, they are animals that feed on herbs or grasses. Goats, they eat grasses. Cattle, they eat grasses, which means no matter the economy of the jungle, they can eat grass. They are herbivores. Now, omnivorous, they are animals that feed on both flesh and grasses. So they are omnivorous animals. Then, predators. In the jungle or in life, we have predators and prey. Now, these predators, they have certain animals that they feed on, lower ones. So they prey on this one. This one, they are vulnerable. So if this is animal A and this is animal B, if this one can feed on this other one, it simply means this one is a predator. Then the one that is being fed on is a prey. So when a prey sees a predator, it runs because this animal wants to eat me. So that is predator and prey. While parasite is simply a feeding relationship or feeding association in which one depends on another for feeding and it hurts the other one. In feeding relationship, we have symbiotic relationship. Cattle and cattle egret. The cattle egret benefit from the cattle and cattle benefit from the egret because it helps them. But a situation where you see one is feeding on the other one is losing, the other one is not gaining, that is parasitic. Even in friendship, a situation where you have a friend, every time you teach the friend, you give him money, give him everything, then you are not getting anything in return. And in fact, he still hurts you in return. That is parasitic. A few examples of parasites are tapeworms, fleas, and barnacles. They live on the other ones, they feed on them, but they don't give any other thing in return. So lices or lysis, ticks, these are examples of parasites. While for symbiotic relationship, cattle and cattle egret, you feed on the other one, at least the other one is also benefiting from you. There is mutual relationship in the feeding association. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to the end of the general science series. Welcome back and thank you for watching this episode of the series. Feel free to check out the other episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss out any video and feel free to tell your friends about this. Thank you.